I got a full screen. I'm playing Wonder 4 and only 40 cents. And I got the full screen. So 40 cents. I don't know how much is that. 26. That's a big win, guys. That's a big win for me, huh? For me, it's a big win for 40 cents. And I still have 8 more free games. Do it again. Full screen again. Full screen again, please. Oh, I don't know. Full screen. Oh. Come on, make it full screen again. We love full screen. There you go. One more. Oh, it didn't. Almost. Oh, alright, alright. Come on, make it full screen. Oh, almost. Right, 3 more spin. Make it full screen. Like that. Alright. Full screen. One more. Oh, retrigger. Oh, wow, retrigger. Another 5 spin. Oh, full screen! Oh, almost! Oh my goodness, almost a full screen. One more! No! I thought I get it. Full screen! Oh! Okay, 3 more, 3 more, 3 more. Alright. Guys, that's a big win for 40 cents. Yeah, big win for 40 cents. Yeah, that's it, guys.